if you work in a nursing home and serve people on Medicare or Medicaid, you will also be required to get vaccinated.
The push for vaccinations, President Biden wants workers at long-term care facilities to get vaccinated, or those centers will be at risk of losing federal funding.
Ann Sparacco joins us live in Norfolk now with what this means for facilities in Virginia. And industry leaders tell you there are more pieces to this puzzle?
Nicole Phillip, that's right. The Virginia Healthcare Association leaders say while they understand this urge for people to get vaccinated, they say long-term healthcare facility workers are not the only ones responsible for getting this mandated vaccine.
The Virginia Healthcare Association says the pandemic put a burden on the shoulders of nursing home facilities.
This past year and a half has been really challenging for our long-term care facilities.
And with President Biden's push to get these facility workers vaccinated, the association's communications vice president, Amy Hewitt, says it's now another responsibility put on the centers.
While we're grateful to have the support of the Biden administration in doing that, we also think there's a need for other healthcare providers to get vaccinated as well. We don't think our nursing facility staff should be singled out for vaccination.
Hewitt says the vaccine mandate may also deter people from wanting to work in these facilities or apply to these jobs.
Well, there's certainly the concern among our members that caregivers may leave and go work in a different setting, go work in a hospital or a private practice, et cetera. And we're already facing a workforce shortage, so that could be really devastating to have.
Hewitt says the association encourages workers at long-term care facilities to get vaccinated, but she says it's a team effort with the community to reach herd immunity.
We know lots of healthcare organizations are putting vaccine requirements, mandates in place, and we hope to not be singled out as the only ones that the government says we have to do this.
An administration did not put the mandate in place yet, but we can expect it to start in the next month.
Now, the Virginia Department of Health conducted a voluntary survey back in March. It said that 35% of long-term care facility workers said they wouldn't get the vaccine if they were offered it. We'll have those updated numbers tonight on 13 News Now at 5:30. Live in Norfolk, I'm Ann Sparacco for 13 News Now.
He would also mention most long-term care facilities are only letting vaccinated contractors enter their buildings.